Welcome to week 3. This week we take an about face away from the nutrition care process and talk about basic dietary principles and standards that we use as a point of comparison for healthy eating. You will revisit chapters 1 and 2 that you will have already explored in Fundamentals of Nutrition. It's a good idea to review the chapter reading and PowerPoints. We will look at the dietary guidelines for Americans, My Plate, and the RDA. There are 2 assignments this week, assignment 3A, and let's click into that. Okay, this looks very busy. I realize, just take your time and read through it. So the assignment questions are right here in the first attached document. And you can see that what you're going to do is record your intake for 24 hours. I've included some portion examples here with the other 2 assignments to give you an idea about portion sizes so you can come up with some concrete details. And you're going to go to USDA's Choose My Plate website, not Wellness Plus, for examining this information. And so the reason that we're doing this is because the public has access to Choose My Plate. And so we want you to become familiar with this tool also. All right. So you'll record your intake and you're going to evaluate your intake using that My Plate website. So let me just scroll down through here. You're going to create your My Plate plan based on your height, weight, and age. And that's going to be available to you as a PDF file, which you're going to download and save, and you'll include that as part of your assignment. And so we want you to consider how your 24-hour intake compares to your My Plate plan. And so here what we would like you to do is to develop 1 or 2 paragraphs talking about that comparison. And so this should include a comparison. You want to think about, were there any surprises when you wrote down your intake and then compared it to My Plate? And do you have some suggestions for improving your current intake? All right, and then I want you to click on this portion distortion link and learn a little bit about portions a few decades ago and what we like to call our current portion size. I think you'll find some surprises there. And so you're also going to write a few sentences or paragraph that you've reviewed those resources and noting what you've learned. This is to convince me that you've reviewed those resources on that link. All right, and then number 5, more exploring here, documenting what you've seen and what you might use in the future for yourself or for clients. So having created your very own My Plate plan, again, you'll use that download a PDF file, save it, upload it with the 3A assignment into Blackboard. This assignment overall is fairly easy, and it can prove to be quite enlightening and an enjoyable process. Assignment 3B is a different story. You scroll back there. Sorry, there is a screen right in my way, and I can't get to the right tab. Okay, here we go. So calculating nutrient density. So again, assignment link is right here. And so you're asked to calculate nutrient density, to interpret label standards, and this looks easy, but I guarantee it is quite challenging. Use the chapter How To sections. Be advised that exam 1 opens next week on Monday night and is available through next Saturday. So you'll want to be preparing a bit for that too while you're thinking about these assignments. Have a great week.